Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If TranslucentTB is not working on your computer, then watch this video to fix it. Now the first thing we can do is we can search for TranslucentTB in the search bar, and here we'll go to app settings. Once it opens, we'll scroll down to look for repair and reset. So we'll click on repair till we get the check mark, and then we will click on reset and reset again, and we will wait for the check mark, and we will open the app. The app should literally open by now, but if it doesn't, then we need to uninstall and reinstall TranslucentTB. So we will again look for TranslucentTB in the search bar and click on uninstall and uninstall again, and it will get uninstalled. Then we will go to the Windows Store, or we can also search for TranslucentTB, install, and press enter, and then we can click on install on Windows, or we can also do this through the Windows Store. And once Windows Store is open, then we can click on get, and it should be installed and should work properly on your computer. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.